Hello everyone, today we have iPhone 8 not working, just keep at logo, Apple logo, as you can see that now. The logo now will appear, okay, it's appearing and gone. I can't guess what causing this problem, but it can be with battery or charging port or the charger. My charger is working, so let's check first the battery and then charging port. Remove two first screws. Remember, when you open the device will be no water resistant anymore. Now push the screen out. You can use some plastic tool to push it, or with your fingernails. Remove the shield covering the battery and screen flex cable. I'm checking if the charging port flex cable is attached very well or not, and it's attached. Now unplug the battery flex cable. Remove front camera shield flex cable, because we are going to remove the whole screen. I'm going now to check the power voltage using multimeter. Prepare your multimeter, put the charger on, and then check the power voltage. Okay, it's 4.30. The power voltage is good, so we can figure out it could be with battery. Let's now put new battery and put it in charger and test them. After 1 hour, we got the phone working well with no any problem. It's now 63%. Now all we need is to put all things all together, and that's it. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe for me. We will see you in the next video. Ciao. You wanna thank me? By like and subscribe. Click that ring to get all my videos. Stay tuned for the next problem.